Join me as I dive into the world of drones and see if I can uncover just how they're changing the game for green technology. Drones have been increasingly making headlines in recent years, and it's not just because of their recreational use or application in fields like photography and cinematography. They're also playing a growing role in advancing green technology, which is having a significant impact on the environment. From monitoring climate change to tracking wildlife populations, drones are proving to be a valuable tool in the pursuit of sustainability. Environmental conservation and sustainability are two of the most pressing issues of our time, and drones are helping to address some of the challenges associated with these areas. One of the biggest hurdles in environmental conservation is the sheer scale of the task at hand. With vast areas of land and sea to monitor, it can be difficult for conservationists to keep track of what's going on. Drones are helping to fill this gap by providing a bird's-eye view of the environment, allowing researchers to gather data on everything from deforestation to ocean pollution. Deforestation is a major concern, with millions of trees being cut down every year. Drones are being used to monitor forest health, track forest fires, and even plant new trees. This not only helps to reduce the risk of forest fires but also enables conservationists to take action to prevent deforestation in the first place. By using drones to monitor forest health, researchers can identify areas that are at risk and take steps to protect them. Pollution is another area where drones are making a big impact. Whether it's monitoring air quality, tracking oil spills, or detecting plastic pollution in our oceans, drones are providing researchers with a wealth of data that can be used to inform policy and take action. For example, drones equipped with special sensors can detect the presence of certain pollutants in the air, allowing researchers to identify areas that are particularly badly affected. This data can then be used to inform policy and take action to reduce pollution. Drones are also being used in a variety of green technology applications, from reforestation to renewable energy monitoring. In reforestation efforts, drones are being used to plant seeds, monitor tree growth, and even deliver fertilizers and pesticides. This not only helps to reduce the cost of reforestation efforts but also enables conservationists to reach areas that would be difficult or impossible to access by foot. Drones are also being used to monitor renewable energy sources like solar panels and wind turbines, helping to optimize their performance and reduce maintenance costs. Renewable energy monitoring is a crucial area where drones are making a big impact. By using drones to inspect solar panels and wind turbines, researchers can identify areas where performance can be improved. For example, drones equipped with thermal imaging cameras can detect areas where solar panels are not performing optimally, allowing researchers to take action to improve their efficiency. This not only helps to reduce the cost of renewable energy but also enables us to generate more power from the same sources. Drones are also being used to track pollution in our oceans. By using drones to monitor ocean health, researchers can identify areas that are particularly badly affected by pollution. For example, drones equipped with special sensors can detect the presence of microplastics in the ocean, allowing researchers to track the spread of these pollutants. This data can then be used to inform policy and take action to reduce pollution. A great example of the positive impact that drones can have on the environment is a project that took place in Australia. In this project, drones were used to replant trees in areas that had been devastated by bushfires. The drones were equipped with special pods that contained seeds, which were then dropped into the affected areas. This not only helped to restore the environment but also provided a habitat for local wildlife. The project was a huge success, with thousands of trees being planted in just a few weeks. The use of drones in this project not only helped to restore the environment but also provided a number of other benefits. For example, the drones were able to reach areas that would have been difficult or impossible to access by foot, allowing researchers to plant trees in areas that would have been otherwise inaccessible. The drones also enabled researchers to monitor the progress of the project, allowing them to track the growth of the trees and make adjustments as needed. The success of this project highlights the potential of drones to make a positive impact on the environment. By using drones to replant trees, monitor forest health, and track pollution, researchers can take action to restore damaged ecosystems and prevent further harm. This not only helps to protect the environment but also provides a number of other benefits, from supporting local wildlife to reducing the risk of natural disasters. The project also demonstrates the potential of drones to be used in conjunction with other technologies to achieve even greater benefits. For example, the drones used in the project could be equipped with special sensors to monitor the health of the trees, allowing researchers to take action to optimize their growth. This not only helps to improve the success of the project but also enables researchers to gather valuable data that can be used to inform future conservation efforts. Drones have the potential to transform green technology and contribute to a better world. By providing researchers with a wealth of data and enabling them to take action to restore damaged ecosystems, drones are playing a vital role in the pursuit of sustainability. From monitoring climate change to tracking wildlife populations, drones are helping to address some of the biggest environmental challenges of our time. I'd love to hear from you. How do you think drones can further improve green technology? Let me know in the comments below, and be sure to check out my other videos on environmental innovations for more insights into the latest technologies that are changing the world.